So, good evening, everyone. So, our today's GD topic is the problem of society and the ways to rectify it. So, I would like to throw some light on the problems of society. Like during pandemic, we can see there's a problem in girls' education system because as there are reports that over 1 crore girls are on the verge of dropping out of a school during pandemic. And before pandemic, there was a gradual increase in the gross enrollment ratio of girls education in secondary education system. So after pandemic, there's a large number of girls who are dropping out of schools, and it is because of a poverty and so many reasons are there. So there are four main reasons because of the girls are dropping out of the schools. So the highest one is that they are engaged to the domestic work, and that's why they are not available, or they are not getting the opportunity to go to the school. And the second one is uh, um, they are facing some financial constraints, like their parents are not capable enough to send them to schools. So this is the second reason. And the third one is like most of the girls are not interested in education. And the fourth one is like they are getting married at an early age, that is child marriage, which is also a crime. So besides these four reasons, a pandemic is playing an important role, or pandemic has causing them to drop out of a school. So uh, in in order to face this problem, government should like uh, provide some scholarships and to the girl education, and make programs to which uh, they are they can solve their financial issues and all. So, and government is also doing so, but there's a lack of awareness, and the uh, families in rural areas are not enough aware about these problems. So uh, uh, awareness should be uh, um, spread through medias, and from through newspapers and all, so that so that the family send their girl child to the school. And also there are programs like Saksham Betiya running by Niti Aayog, and so we can also uh, replicate the programs like this, because they are doing a great job. Like they are going to the uh, local areas and teaching the girl child and they are doing by going their place. So if the programs like this are more, so it is beneficial for the girl child. And also there are scholarships like Pragati and all, which are working for the technical education, like which are giving a scholarship to the girl child, which are in technical, which are doing, who are doing technical education. So more scholarships should be given to the girl education like this, so that they are excited to do education, and they should they get a valid reason, and they do not have a complaint about a financial crisis and all. So, and also got an opportunity to complete their education also. So in this way, girl educations should be raised, so that they do not have to face violence. And the child marriage is also somehow get the lower rate because of that. And also I can say, like we can say, uh, the pay gap between the two genders, like man and woman, it is also rectified if girls are more educated, and they do education in a better way, without dropping out of school. And poverty is also poverty being also treated in this way. So this is a one problem, and another problem I would like to say is unemployment nowadays, because during pandemic there are a large number of people who lost their jobs during pandemic, and also there are many youths who are searching for the job but didn't getting the opportunity, or are failing to get the job. So government should government should declare jobs, and create some public sectors or government jobs, so that the youth can get employment, and also they should support the private sector so that they can employ the people. And in this way employment can be treated if government support the private sector. So unemployment can be treated in this way. And also there are so many problems like mental illness during pandemic and all. So that is rising because the peoples are losing their job, and they do not have a proper income source, so that's why they are facing mental illness. So in this way uh, if a person has a proper income and they are not facing any issues, so it can be cured. So government should work in this way to give employment opportunity to the youth. And the people who are uh, daily wage workers, they should also give some kinds of uh, like um, income on a basis of uh, some program should be released so that they can get some proper income, so that they can get their basic needs. So that's what I see the problems in society and the solutions. And I would like ask Kanishka to give her points.
According to me, the most severe problem of a society is poverty. And after COVID, it has usually happened whenever our India recovers through poverty. Somehow, there is one or another conditions prevail, because of which the poverty level goes again high. When our Prime Minister Narendra Modi took his second prime ministership oath, and in his speech he mentioned that by 2021-22 our India will be one of the 5 trillions economy. But because of this COVID pandemic, our India was not able to reach that goal and was not able to secure that trillion economy. And this COVID has also moreover impacted on the poverty level of India. The main reasons, like main causes of poverty, are mainly inflation, people are not unawareness, uh, increase in population, unemployment. uh, what I think is these 4 5 causes are mainly impact on poverty level. And the solutions, though government is trying its best to rectify this problem, they are introducing their poverty alleviation programs, schemes, and mainly in rural areas. In rural areas, there are not much credit requirements, facilities available to the labor workers, farmers, marginal farmers. So it's important for moreover rural development. And talking about the urban development, mainly it's unemployment that uh, is on its pinnacle. As Mansi said, that because of, like in COVID, it's moreover there is an increase in unemployment. So uh, the successful scheme by the government is MG Narega's Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Wage Employment Act. So that has really very well helped the required skillful laborers to get a job and earn some income for themselves and their families. And secondly, talking about the uh, poverty problem. So recently, Indian government has launched the PLI scheme. Through that, they are more focusing on being Atmanirbhar, and being Atmanirbhar will automatically increase the employment rate in India. It will increase the economic conditions of India, and somehow that the employment and economic growth is directly related. So if employment conditions are in, if employment is moreover increasing, the economic condition will improve and the people will get an opportunity to earn well, and poverty won't prevail in India. So in my point of view, poverty is the main cause of the society, for devastating this society, and accordingly I have given my suggestions. So I request Devansh to take over.
India is a country of problems. There are many problems like poverty, lack of education, discrimination, gender inequalities, and nowadays one big problem is rising prices of fuels. According to that reports that we have the most costly petrol and diesels, and poverty is also on the peak of its. The main reasons for poverty are lack of education, lack of skills, and lack of awareness, and the schemes that government issues or are not implemented at the grassroots levels. And other problems of the society are gender inequality. Today today also gender inequality is prevailing, like and there is a very huge pay gap between boys and girls, and it is also prevailing in many places. And one of the other problems is climate change. It is impacting, like in this digital era, the bitcoins we use consume electricity to the which is equal to one country of Sweden, which consumes in a year. And overpopulation is one of the problem also. So how we can rectify these problems? We can rectify by providing good quality educations, good health facilities to everyone, by maintaining transparency in government schemes so that they can be implemented easily, by providing good health facilities. Government is trying to provide these all things, but another problem of our country comes in, which is corruption. So in my opinion, these problems can be resolved easily if corruption is removed, and if a literacy rate is increased in our society. So I request Diksha to continue.
Okay, so first of all, I would like to talk about education. Like in government school, we can say like only poor children only have the chance to read in government school because they provide free education. Like that's perfect. There's no problem. But the main problem is teachers, yeah, because those schools are lacking teachers and those teachers are lacking education. They barely speak in English, and like they don't want to teach, and they don't do their best for their students. Like in a government school near my house, there's only one teacher for like 4 subjects. Like that's not truly good, I think. So I think government should invest more on teachers. Like in New Delhi, the government has invested properly. I wish this happened in other states also. So many students have chance to study and get educated. And secondly, I want to talk about farmers. Like they are physically they are God for us because they feed us. And so they are doing, that issues like they are suiciding because of uh, loan and all debts. So I want, I just have an idea that government should pay them like salaries. That's the best thing. Like it should actually it's actually a government job. Like it's the basic needs. So I think government should just pay them well, not just their, outer income. Rather than this, they should get paid by government. And third thing I want to talk about is student mental health. This is a very obvious topic which is ignored by parents in nowadays. Not only nowadays, like before few years back, it was totally like it was very ignored. I think like parents don't even think that their child is going through something or like that. So I think someone should just raise a, you know, uh, I don't know what is that called, but someone should at least inform our parents that they should look after students' mental health also. Like what are they going through? Not only just to pressurize them about their studies and future and all. They have to just look after them. Thank you. Now I will like to pass on to Sneha.
Good evening, everyone. So, today I'm going to talk about the obesity, and it is very common. Like every second person we look is obese, and the drawback in India that many health officers are obese too, and it's really a bad impact on the public. To that health officer is already an overweight person. So I'll talk about the obesity in pandemic. In pandemic time, it was very that every person is becoming overweight and obese. So I'll talk about that. It's not about the pandemic, it's about the whole world that around 1 billion people are obese. And in our country, around 60% of the population is overweight, and in which around 30 to 32% are obese. So it's very common in India, especially. And if we say that in other countries as compared to our country, Japan and Africa has around 5% overweight population. And it's really a drawback for India. And it's a very, I should say, it's a very difficult problem for India. And especially children obesity is becoming very serious topic. Around in 10 years, children obesity is increased by 10% in India, because nowadays children are becoming busy in online games. They don't go for play outside, and that's all. And even our eating habits and change. They have changed a lot. So in solution of this, and one more thing, being overweight and obesity is different. Overweight can be okay, but a person can decrease their weight. But obesity is a level where disease, health problems, and many problems have started performing their role. Even they took person to a premature death. I have seen many people around us whose
I would like to add points from the a point to Diksha.
sorry for the interruption.
Yeah,
Can I?
continue. Sneha. Yeah.
And seriously, these diseases can seriously impact a person's quality of life and lead to a premature death. And there are many examples of these premature deaths. And a very common is a person who played a role of Hathi, something Tarak Mehta. He was just 32, but he was obese. So obese, so it was obvious for a premature death. So it create really health problems like sugar, diabetes, uh, heart failure, and these are very common in obesity. So in solution of that, we should try yoga. Yoga is best for everything. We should eat healthy food, try decrease sugar in our food. And if we are already fit, so we should continue that process that we are doing. We should do exercise at least 30 minutes per day. And that's it. I think we should eat low fat food. That's what I will say about the obesity.
I have a question. What will
Yeah.
you call Bharti Singh? She was obese or she was overweight?
She was
She was
obese, but
obese.
now she's overweight.
She was just making
The
money.
difference in obese and overweight, we should call if the BMI of a person is between around 20 to 25 to 30, then the person is overweight. If goes above higher than 30 or higher than 30, then person is obese.
And
She
they
was
are,
obese, but now she is overweight. So for this, we should join gym, doing exercise, cut down your consumption of fatty foods, use green vegetables. We should eat salad. So that's all about the obesity. And there is a very common, we can say anything, that walk a little more, eat a little less.
yeah.
To maintain a healthy body. That's all.
Okay, I would like to add a point in Diksha's point. Like she said, in government schools, teachers are not well educated or not enough capable enough to teach students. So I think it is. There's one more reason behind this, like corruption. Like people used to pay for their job to get job. It is very common in these kinds of jobs. So corruption, if corruption would be stopped, then there's a possibility that children get better education. So corruption is harming our society in this way also. And also I would like to say, for psychology, for mental health of children, there should be someone in the school, like a psychology teacher or something like that, for children help. There should be something. There should be someone like that, so that it would be great for a child who is going through something.
There are actually counselors, but they don't work for students, you know. Students
Not in
don't
every school. It
accommodate
should.
there.
I
No, even
I
I
want to
agree
make it.
that
Yeah.
work, like I feel that they moreover burden the students. I feel they don't help the students, they moreover burden the students. Like what they do is they used to talk about the personal problems of the student in between the class, and how will the child feel. It should
Yeah,
be
They
it's
a
start
very
little
common.
one-on-one discussion. They can start one-on-one
The
discussion,
discussion of any topic, they started discussing their
like they
own
are
problems.
doing like they are doing in America for mental health.
Yeah, but
9th
in
and 10th classes.
yeah, but in not no, they
There is
are
a program for.
yeah. Like I feel in India, in not in every school a psychology teacher is present. It is a rule, but not in every school there is a psychology teacher.
yeah, in
During
other
the lockdown, my own friend gone with the depression.
yeah, in the other countries, even I feel that they have a personal counselor for themselves, so that the student easily get convenient to that person and uh, talk about what he feels and what all he is going through.
Actually, Indian parents don't take it seriously. Like they don't think it is important to invest in psychological things and all this. Like they don't think there's anything like depression and anxiety. They think it's just normal and it's just a tantrum and it'll go away. And so I don't think it's
Yeah,
good
Actually,
they
in
don't take it seriously.
India, people think that the person who go to psychiatrist is a mad person.
Yeah.
You said it very
During the
correct,
lockdown,
Devansh.
many of the people gone with the depression just because of, there might be a reason they lost their job and their income has stopped, their business gets stuck. There were a lot of things just because of them.
Yeah,
My
during
own friend gone
pandemic.
with the depression, and depression is a very bad thing. Literally, it's a worst thing anyone can want to experience. It is a worst. Persons get started crying suddenly, and we don't have any reason to cry for it. It's a worst.
Actually, there is a reason why parents don't take their children to psychiatrists, because in our society, people will call them like he or she is mentally disturbed, and their parents don't want their child to be called like this. So
Because they worries
that's
about the
a very-
society. Because
yeah.
they worries about the society, not about the
They
children.
don't care about societal thoughts. They worry about society.
And there is also a matter of grades in our society. If a person is getting good grades, then he is intelligent. If he is not getting, then he is what we used to call it nalla. Usually people use these words. He is now useless, such a useless person. Seriously.
No, it's like शर्मा जी का बेटा तो ऐसा हो गया,
हाँ.
आपने कुछ नहीं किया.
Hey, is it on recording? Seriously.
We have to change the thinking of the person that grades only don't matter.
Yeah, there are so many things, like there are myths, like if a person is speaking English, so he must be intelligent. If a person is getting higher grades, he must be intelligent. They are not seeing the knowledge. They are like, marks are immaterial. They do not understand this thing.
Yeah, they don't understand that those students who are sitting in at the back of their bench, like they are also genius, but they need proper guidance. And so, like, parents are totally living under a rock. Who's gonna tell them?
And I want to add one more point to Diksha's point, that she talked about the farmers getting salaries. So farmers do have the opportunity of MSP, minimum support price. So, the government give them a fixed rate for what they are producing, but somehow due to mediators and due to lack of awareness, they are not aware about the schemes provided by the government.
It
So
can
it's
be
that way that, yeah, continue.
Actually, they give MSP for the crops, but due to drought or other conditions, they can't even grow crops. They are yearly, most of the crops are destroyed due to heavy rain or drought, or other problems like electricity is not available for harvesters.
Yeah,
So
and
how
they
they will
fail
get
to
MSP?
return the money back to the bank.
Also, we
Have
can't
you guys
get.
seen this movie named Interstellar?
Yes, I have
Have you
seen.
guys-
I have
Yeah,
seen
so
the movie.
I also think that there's gonna be a time when we will lack farmers. So instead of teaching them engineering and all this, we should teach them how to do farming.
Grow
Like even we
crops.
should also learn it.
But in our country, farmers are like suffering the most. That's why.
Also, we can't give salary to farmers. We can't give, like, if they will not give the crops, how we can give them money? And other things, problems are like online games. Today's most problematic situation is due to online games. Like kids of
children.
14 or 16 years are committing suicide. I have seen the suicide of 12-year student in my city, that he was playing Fortnite and had lost 40,000 rupees and committed suicide. So they should add some age verification system in their games, so that only 18 plus can play the games like PUBGs and invest money.
It doesn't matter to children, they are going to change their age in their Gmail account and they will then log
That
in.
only I'm saying that they can add some age verification thing like Aadhaar card type. They can add.
But adding Aadhaar card may be problematic because it may lead. There's a possibility it may lead to cybercrime and all.
It's already leaked. We can buy Aadhaar cards from From places like 40
Yeah.
rupees, we can buy thousands of Aadhaar cards, thousands
Really?
unique persons. 40, 50 rupees online, they are available in black market.
Wow.
I've seen that lakhs of Aadhaar card were leaked last year. Actually, these news are not printed in newspapers. And the person who wrote that news in print article was arrested by the government and he is still in prison.
You
See,
know, our whole
media
country is corrupt.
see media is also has also not the power to like write true news. They are only selling fake
They
news.
don't have power to go
Yeah.
against the government.
They do not say
You know,
a
most
single
of the
word
channels
against the
are
government.
Actually,
on the
if they go,
government,
they are
most of
arrested
them are
or
on
they
the
are
government.
killed.
Yeah, that's why they have to write in the favor of government only. So there are many more problems in the country like food and water and health and all. So there are so many problems, but government should work.
The problems are endless.
Yeah,
The
but
It is a
problem-
country of problems.
You know, the only problem for these society problems is our thinking. If we
yeah,
change
we
our
should
thinking,
start
the
working.
problem will already be solved.
Yeah,
You know, government can't do anything in it. For poverty, we
We
should
can change our thinking.
work hard for
We change our
our
thinking. Problems like discrimination and gender inequality will automatically be removed.
You know,
Yeah.
gender inequality doesn't exist in 21st century.
It is
It is
still
I'm
there.
not
exist.
It is
facing
there.
any gender equality.
We
You know,
have not
now
seen because we are living in big cities.
rural areas.
Rural
Yeah.
areas, it still
It is
exists.
there.
Like girl child is still killed in the womb of the woman
And
before
they are
were
doing
birth.
things illegally and uh, like hiding their names and they are doing it because they are doing illegal works. So that's why like but these things do exist in rural areas and all.
Yeah, I've seen many senior citizens praising their grandchildren like boy, not girls. I've
Yeah.
seen many of them. Like, there are a lot
Like-
of examples. So we cannot say that it totally vanished from our
like
society.
like in a
There is-
report it is also given like more boys children are going to the private schools and the girls children are going to the government schools only and there's also possibility of dropping out their government schools because of economic problems, but they do
And
not
I just
do
now
this thing with the boys.
come to know about this, that in government schools, what happens is if a girl is taking admission, she is, paid for that. She's given some incentives for that if she's studying in a government school. 5,000
there are
rupees.
scholarships for studying in schools, colleges.
The
Just because they
scholarships are
did,
given.
yeah,
Scholarships are given when you are not able to. When the family is not able to provide
Economic
education
conditions
to
not
you.
good.
but they are giving it,
promote
yeah.
Also,
Yeah, to
yeah, they are giving
all
also giving
education.
incentives.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
You
that
know,
the
I can't say
people
about the
send their
others.
girl child to school just because.
That's why they are
yes.
sending girls child to school.
Yeah.
Yeah, is it?
Yes, there
I
are
haven't heard about
many
it.
schemes in MP government, like they give 1 lakh to 18 plus girls for joining his colleges and
Like
other things.
MP government has a
Provide subsidies.
MP
MP
government has
government has
many schemes
yeah, like Ladli Lakshmi Yojana and all.
for girls,
They
Ladli
make
Lakshmi Yojana.
large number of policies for girl child in MP.
They are also they are also having policies for marriages of girls, like they give refrigerators and other utensils things for marriage. And another problem of our society is dowry.
Yeah. But
Dowry
nowadays
now
It exists.
much.
nowadays
I don't,
because of
it
because
doesn't.
of yeah education.
Hmm.
If girls are
Guys,
also educated, girls
It
are also
does exist. It does exist. Believe me, it does exist.
It does
Like in
exist, but
Bihar
it
and
is.
UP, it does exist. You cannot say that
You know, I
it's not.
can't
But
say about
in
others. I can't say about others, but in my family, I haven't feel it ki girls or boys are different. You should do this. You should do this. It don't exist in our family. You know, a month before
big cities, it is.
my cousin, my sister gave a birth to a baby girl. You know, my whole family was very happy. Ki we don't feel a difference between a boy and girl. All are same for us.
But it should be in whole country. This feeling should be in whole
It
country.
is the problem basically in rural areas, and
In
India
areas
is
like
still
Haryana, Bihar, Jharkhand,
Haryana, Bihar, Jharkhand, Rajasthan.
I'm from Haryana.
gender inequality do exist and even dowry system do exist.
Dowry system.
You know, I'm from
In some,
Haryana. It doesn't exist that much.
Well,
I
I'm
also-
really happy
it
to
still
hear
exists
about
somewhere.
it. It's really good.
Dowry
to hear
is
about
somewhat changed in
stuff.
our big cities. Like
But
now,
more
boys
than
give
dowry,
dowry.
but more
Many
than
places
dowry,
like
nowadays in rural areas, it's more bribe existing
What?
because bribe
Right? Oh, yeah, it's really exists more than anything.
more
I-
than dowry, bribe is more
Yeah,
there
yeah, yeah.
in rural areas.
But it's slowly dowry is taking down because people are getting educated, and even the family of a even the family of a grooms, if they are educated enough, so they say it's okay, we do not want anything, because girl is also enough educated to uh, are capable enough to employ to earn.
You know, in my sister's marriage, we didn't give anything to them. They, you know, they
I
said
have
that we don't
seen
want anything.
now scenarios changing. I have seen that boys are giving dowry for their marriage to girls. In my city, I've seen such
That's what I'm
incidents.
saying, bribe.
Yeah.
That is what
Yeah.
is called bribe.
And in other country where there's a inequality between the ratio is not equal between girl and man, so
Like the
they are
ratio.
also they are also paying to marry a girl, so because there are less number of girls in their country.
I haven't heard about it yet.
I read it in newspaper somewhere, that's I know.
We wash clothes daily. That is also causing climate change. I read this today in my newspaper. The detergent is mixing in the seas and causing damage to the marine life.
You know, Diwali is approaching. So the climate, or we should say condition of Delhi, will become worse in these days.
But I think
There are
the
many.
government has already banned on the crackers, and if you
Nobody
are
follows the guidelines.
If we want to
Nobody
solve
follows-
these, it totally depend on us. Government has
Only
banned.
followed in
What
big,
about those
big
people
cities,
who
on
very
want
big
keeping
to
the
do
cities,
this?
bulk of crackers.
metropolitan cities.
You are keeping the
It
bulk
is
of
only
crackers.
followed in Delhi, Bombay, Kolkata if government issues guidelines.
I've been
There
celebrating
it is Madhya Pradesh.
anti-cracker
Nobody
independence.
follows guidelines. Nobody's even wear the helmet. But they
What
have
in
a
a-
system of now. Now they are
What in
sending e-challans if they are caught in CCTVs if they are not wearing helmet or don't have number plate. So they are sending some e-challans to solve this. But so there are many problems in our country.
Yeah, there are violence against women and all. Like during pandemic also, the violence against women rises in so many states. There are large number of reports of violence against women. So there should be some rules, and there should be something
Acid
like that.
attacks.
Yeah, there should be something like that, so that
There are rules. There are rules. There are rules
yeah,
that,
but
that they are
people,
punished.
yeah,
Domestic
like
violence,
acid, like selling acid is not
acid
allowed.
attacks. They have hard rules.
But yeah, but acid attacker easily get acid from any shop. Like it should be banned, or people should not do these kinds of things
It
which
is
can
already
harm.
Yeah,
Yeah, but
It is
as
banned.
but today
But
itself
we can get
one
easily.
actress, today
Any
itself
chemist
I got,
shop we can get.
yeah, but today itself I read it in news, like one actress is survived from the acid attack, and she suspected someone who was carrying a bottle, and she posted a like a hand with a crab banded all and all.
I also saw that
Yeah,
headline.
so these kinds of things happen
Can't
even now.
eradicate acid attack because acid is available everywhere.
So
Because we need to buy acids for our chemistry practical labs for students.
but it
Schools.
should be given to the only to the certified people, and like if a college person is buying it, so they can show their ID card and then only they can buy. So these kinds of rules should be made to stop these kinds of crimes.
There are rules. There are these kind of rules, but
But
they can buy
but
easily.
shopkeepers,
Nobody asks for
yeah, but shopkeepers are
ID cards.
lazy to see.
They want
And
to sell
acid
their products. So
Yeah.
why they will ask?
seriously, I have already experienced this. We were doing I think titration or something in the chemistry lab. Then by mistakenly, that was concentrated acid was fall on my hand. It was burning very much, very much, very much.
Acids. We have
Oh.
not to fall on. We have just thrown the acids on the lab.
But the
We have
shopkeepers,
played with acids.
yeah,
Lots of acids. No.
yeah. So I think everyone make their point clear, and
And one more thing. Some people like to comment on somebody's looks or
bullying,
Body
It-
shaming.
yeah,
bullying, a kind of bullying.
Body
Yeah.
shaming is
Body
also
shaming,
prevalent
yeah.
in India.
So it should also like
It is
nowadays.
basically based on people's thinking. We can't
Yeah,
change the
nowadays,
Most of the problems are depend on our thinking.
thinking process.
It's just we
gradually.
have to change the social outlook.
Sorry, Kanishka.
One of the problems
I'm
that
saying
we are
that we have to change our social outlook.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think everyone's make their point clear, and I think we should
but we have not
stop.
talked about one of the problem, which is digital addiction. Digital
Oh,
addiction.
Yeah,
Children are
digital
digital
addiction. Digital addiction, and then you can say also like smoking and
They're on mobiles
liquor
for the
addiction
whole
also.
days.
Yeah,
There are lot. In depression, people started using drugs for the
yeah.
peace of mind and something.
But I think government is
Web series addiction.
doing
Web series comes, everyone want to watch.
measures to rectify this. So it's but like digital addiction is based on person to person,
You know,
like
problems are a lot, but solutions are limited.
yeah.
Very limited.
There are solutions, but they are not implemented in a right way. Like
So we have
government
to
is
do,
providing
we have to start from ourselves, like we
Our
have to,
own level.
yeah, from our personal level. So in this way we can come over this.
I think we have discussed most of them.
Yeah.
Yeah. I
Thank you,
think we think
everyone.
so.
I